Hey guys, welcome back to Life on Greenwood. It's a beautiful day here, and I'm in New Jersey at my townhouse, hence the reason for this video. Do you ever clean out your closet? This is probably a good time if you're stuck in the house to do a closet clean out. So if you're up for a closet clean out and a trip to Goodwill to drop off everything, and then I'll show you what I got. If you're up for it, then let's get started. Okay guys, I did a closet clean out. I didn't plan on doing it, but I found that since I'm here at my townhouse, there's a lot of clothing here that, oh, this collar is gonna kill me. There's a lot of clothing here that I have not worn in ages. You guys know that I'm retired, so in my other life, there was a lot of corporate suits and things like that. Well, I found so many suits and stuff that I haven't worn in like forever. And before I thought to record this video, I took a bunch of suits over to Goodwill. And then I started going through and those suits weren't even in my room. They were in the second bedroom. And so I hadn't seen them in years. And then I thought, well, you know what? I know I got a bunch of stuff in my closet that I need to get rid of. So I started pulling things out. So what I want to show you side by side is some of the stuff that I got rid of that I was finding. Skirts, jackets, suits, pants, shoes. There was so much stuff there that I had not seen in ages. I probably would have kept some of it if I could have fit it. I probably would have kept some of it, but it was, let's keep it real. I could not fit that stuff. I could not fit that stuff. So, you know, raise your hand if you're in the same boat. But anyway, I did a closet clean out, so I'm going to show you side by side of some of the stuff that I found. Again, I found a lot of suits, skirts, some casual pants that, you know, I thought about if maybe I should put some of that stuff on Poshmark or what, but you know what, I just didn't, I know if I stopped to take time to put them on Poshmark, then it would take forever. And let me just make this, these things, send them to a new home, right? Send them to a new home. Anyway, if you've never done a closet clean out and you're stuck in the house right now with all the snow, we had a ton of it up here in the Northeast, this might be a time to go through your closets. I like to do it, normally I like to do it before the end of the year. I'll do a few times during the year and make sure I do a nice one by the end of the year, because I take my stuff to Goodwill and I'm trying to get a tax write-out. So I'm not just doing a closet clean out. I'm also doing like household goods and things like that I don't use anymore, or that I think someone else could use. So I'll take those to Goodwill as well. And I get the tax receipt. Don't forget to get your receipts, guys. Anyway, so I got a bunch of stuff. And it really took me back as I was watching the stuff come out of the closet. I'm looking at some of the things and I'm remembering some of the times that I wore those clothes, especially the suits. And I'm thinking, I got to get back on a fitness plan. I know everybody says that for the first of the year, right? We all say, oh, I'm going to get back on a fitness plan for the first of the year. But no, seriously, I have to knuckle down, and I will. But that's a video for another time. All right, so I took a lot of stuff over to Goodwill, and then I went inside and I figured, well, I'm in there, I'll just go in for a few minutes knock around and then come out. I don't want to stay in it too long. But when I was there, let me show you what I picked up. Let me just grab them. First thing I saw were these. These are Cariuma sneakers. And if you're familiar with these, I mean, these retail for like 90 bucks. They're almost like new. Can you see that? And they come with a vegan insole, natural rubber, and they're made in Brazil. Apparently they're all the rage, and the reason they're so expensive is because of that, you know, the vegan insole, the natural rubber, and all of that. So I picked them up. They're my size. They're my size. So I picked them up. I think they were like 10 bucks. And but I'm thinking, you know what? I may put these on Poshmark. I haven't listed anything in a while, but these might go on Poshmark. But so cute, right? And then I'm becoming crazy about Booties. These. Is this coming across? Are these coming across? These are Silent D leather booties. And at first I said, do those strings belong on there? But after I got home and did some research, I see that this is how they sell them. The strings do belong on them. Look at the buckles. Look at the heels in great shape, great condition. I don't even know if these were ever worn. Yeah, maybe they were a little bit, but and these were $7. These things retail new for like $169. I had to do research. I just knew, you know, when I saw them, something told me that they looked like they were just made with such quality when I looked at the toe. And something just told me, you know what? They just look like they're so well made. Look at that. Look at the stitching around there. Is that coming across? So I picked them up. They're my size. They are my size. So I may list these on Poshmark. If they don't sell, no big deal, because your girl will be wearing these. She will be wearing these. I think the next video I do, I think I'm just going to do like a try on with some outfits with those last couple of pairs of shoes that I bought. The booties that I bought. I think I may just do a try on. But anyway, guys, aren't these adorable? I love these. So anyway, I did a closet clear out, and you should do one too. Get rid of all that stuff if you haven't worn it in months, and in my case, years. And if it doesn't fit, there's no way. Some of those clothes were so small that, I mean, I had to tell myself, let's be honest. Come on now, girl. Come on. There are a few things that I did keep because I never wore my stuff too tight anyway. Let me sit back. I never wore my stuff too tight anyway. So some of the things did have, I had room to grow into, but let's be honest, some of those pants, I am never going to be that size again. So it was time to get rid of them. Go to your closet, have a look at things. If you haven't worn them in months or years like me, take them out, donate them, resell them if you want, but find a new home for them. Somebody else can use those. And in my case, that's what I thought. I like to do it a couple times a year, again, especially toward the end of the year, so I can get that tax write-off. Don't forget to get your receipts when you go to Goodwill. And it's really, really helped me. So, and you feel good. I feel good having done it. So intrinsically, it does me good to do it. If you've done a closet clean out in the last couple of months, comment below. If you're thinking about doing a closet clean out anytime soon, comment below. And tell me which pair, don't tell me which pair you like because they're so different. Just tell me if you like my new boots and sneakers. And should I sell them? That's the question. Should I sell them? All right, guys. Thank you so much. I hope everybody is doing well. Valentine's Day is coming up soon. If I don't talk to you before then, by all means, have a happy Valentine, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye, guys.